Hello guys, hope you all are doing well. So in the continuation of the previous GATE series, we have completed our GATE 1990 question paper, 1991 and 1992. Today onward we will solve 1993 and we will start from section A. And without wasting time, we will look into the question. So very first question is, uh, choose the right answer. A biodegradable detergent is one which is the answer is marked in the question. Since chemical technology is full of theory, okay, and because I have not studied the chemical technology since a long time, so I will not give any explanation, but we are here to solve the questions. And I suggest you to go through Dryden once and brush up all your concept, okay. We are here to solve the questions of previous years, okay. But after completion of the previous years, if possible, I'll take few topics which is very important for GATE, but I think it will take a complete time for the solution only. So okay, so D is the answer, easily decomposed by the microorganisms. Hydrogenation of edible oil is done to decrease the number of unsaturated bond. In this case, we just decrease the double bond to increase the stability. Okay, increase the stability. Okay, so if possible, I will upload my notes. Okay, so you can read that as well. Okay. Third, absorption tower operating under conditions of, okay, so for absorption tower, for third, very first thing, there are two laws. One is Rolle's law, one is Henry's law. Rolle's law says that partial pressure is equal to mole fraction into vapor pressure. Partial pressure can be written as mole fraction into total pressure is equal to mole fraction liquid phase, partial pressure into vapor pressure. Now, Ya is equal to Pa sat upon Pt into Xa. This is called the equilibrium relation, Y equal to mx, which is given in the question, most of the question, x for a component. Okay, this is equilibrium relation. Now m is here, P sat upon Pt. Okay, in Henry's law we know that partial pressure is equal to Ha Xa. Ha is the Henry's constant. Again, we can write Pa, Ya Pt equal to Ha Xa. Okay, so Ya is equal to Ha upon Pt into Xa. Always remember, Henry's law is for dilute components. Dilute mixtures. Okay. Now, if we see the Rolle's law, we know that for absorption, the graph is operating line is like this. This is Y, this is X. Suppose we have Y given here, Y inlet with the gas phase. Okay, so if the graph is this, then we will get X1 here. If the graph is second one, then we will get X2 there. Then we will get X3 here. For given Y in, we have to maximize X, the outlet in the liquid concentration, because we are using a liquid solvent to extract the solute from the gas phase. So concentration of the solute in the liquid phase should be maximum, that is X. So that means this graph has the lowest slope compared to these two, right? So that means we have to reduce the slope. The minimum the slope, maximum will be the solute concentration in the liquid phase. So for decreasing the solute, we have to reduce the temperature, because if we will reduce the temperature, vapor will produce less and P sat will be less. and we have to increase the pressure, total pressure, so that overall value will be decrease. Overall value will decrease. Okay, so low temperature, high pressure and low temperature. Okay, so this is the question. Now, question 2. Choose the correct answer. Here D is 20 because it is on next page. 1000 kg of solution containing 50% by weight of salt dissolved in it. It is cooled 400 kg of anhydrous. No water is there. Salt is separate out. The solubility of salt at lower temperature is kg salt, kg of water. Always remember, this is not kg of solution. This is kg of water. You will understand. Okay. Question 2. A. So we know that in crystallization, what happens? From higher temperature, we cool the solution. Okay, suppose this is T1 and this is T2, where T1 is greater than T2. We cool the temperature, so crystal will separate out. Okay, so we have 1000 kg solution here, in which 50% is salt. Okay, here only crystal is separate out without any kind of water, without any water. 400 kg. So if I overbalance, okay, A, B, so A will give B plus C, right? So A is 1000, C is 400, so we will get B 600. That is overall balance. This is overall balance, right? Now if I apply salt balance, suppose the composition of salt here is XB. So if I apply salt balance, so how much salt is in A? 0.5 into 1000 is equal to, there is complete salt, nothing else, so 400 directly. Okay, plus there is solution as well, so XB into, we have to find B, that is 600. So it will give XB as 1 by 6. 500 minus 400, that is 100, divided by 600, 1 by 6. This is kg salt upon kg solution, but we need kg salt per kg solute, per kg water. So what we do, 1 divided by 6 minus 1. This is kg salt upon kg water, because we are subtracting the salt from, salt is 1, we are subtracting salt from water, it will give 1 by 5. Now it is saying 100 kg of water, so if I multiply numerator and denominator with 20, so it will give 20 kg salt per 100 kg water, right? So answer is 20. It is on another page in next slide. Okay, so this is, here it is, the 20. Answer is 20. Okay, now B part. Methane is completely one with air. Completely one with air, that means there is no methane left as well, there is no air left as well. Possible volume percentage of carbon dioxide on dry basis. Okay, so on dry basis we will not include the water in the flue gas. Okay, first we will see question 2b. CH4 plus O2, that will give CO2 plus H2O. बैलेंस कर लेते हैं, यहाँ पे H4 है तो यहाँ पे 2 हो जाएगा, C1 है 1 है, 2 2 4 2 2. Okay, since CH4 is completely one with air, so 1 mole, 2 mole, it will give 1 mole, and this will be 2 mole, but it is completely one with air, not oxygen, and air contain nitrogen as well. So air fed 2 divided by 0.21 is equal to 9.5 9.52. Okay. N2 in air 9.52 minus 2, or you can find uh, like this 0.79 into 9.52. It will give the same value, 7.52. Okay. Now what question is saying? Volume percent of carbon dioxide. Okay, volume percentage means we know that volume percentage is equal to mole percentage is equal to pressure percentage. Okay, so we have found the answer in moles. Moles. Okay, so carbon is carbon dioxide formed 1 plus dry basis. We will not include uh, water. There is no oxygen as well in the product. We have only CO2 and N2. N2 is inert component, so 7.52. It will give 11.7%. Okay, straightforward. For a centrifugal pump, the positive suction head is defined as. I am confusing with all the options, but in my notes and in Senjal and Simbala and R.K. Bansal. So, net positive suction head is given by, this is very good for theoretical point of view. Senjal and Simbala is very good, and R.K. Bansal, a lot of numerical question is there. Okay, so NPSH is given by HA minus HS minus HFS minus HV. This is atmospheric pressure head. Atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure head. Okay, this is suction head. This is head loss in suction, and this is vapor pressure head. Gate is not asking question from this area, but you can remember this equation. Okay, and B part. This is very straightforward question, everyone knows. Match the following. On the next page, pseudo is there. Pseudo plastic. So this is Bingham plastic, this is Newtonian, this is dilatant, this is pseudo. Okay, you can so for fluid mechanics, Senjal, Simbala and R.K. Bansal, these are more than enough. Okay, yeah, pseudo is there, right? Fourth is pseudo is there. Okay, fourth question, match the following. Straightforward. C, D, A, B, right? Okay. For separating particle of different densities, the differential settling method used for sorting medium of the density intermediate between those light and the heavy ones. Very straightforward. Okay. Decantation. Okay. For mechanical operation, C.M. Narayana. Very good book. And McCabe Smith is evergreen. McCabe and Smith, evergreen book. Okay. At very low RPM, less than 5, the power required for agitation proportional to dq. I will upload my notes for this question because this question is very important. Okay, sum of part is written here. This is half part written here. but don't worry, at the end of the lecture I will upload my notes so that you can read, and those are very straightforward. Okay, you can just read it, you will understand them. Okay. Saturated steam is condensed as a film on a vertical plate height 50 centimeter. If the local heat transfer coefficient at a distance 50 centimeter from the top is this, the average heat transfer coefficient over the entire plate. We know that average heat transfer coefficient is equal to 4 by 3 H local. So if you will do, okay, so we know that H average is equal to 4 by 3 H local. So 4 by 3 into H local is 7200. So 3 2 just 6, 3 4 just 12, 0 0 0 0, 4 4 just 16, 4 2 just 8, 9600. Okay, 9600 will be the answer. So it is on next page. 9600. Okay. The capacity of multi-effect evaporator when compared with a single effect evaporator, both operating with significant boiling point rise at the same terminal temperatures, and the surface area in the each effect equal to the surface area of the single effect evaporator. Actually, I need to look into that question. Okay, so GK Roy is there. GK Roy for heat and mass transfer. Okay. Very specifically, if evaporator is very good in that book, so you can go through this book. Okay, so as of now increases. Okay, okay. You can solve this question. In distillation under minimum reflux condition, a number of theoretical stage would be minimum reflux. Minimum reflux, that means infinite. Yeah, that's fine, infinite. Minimum reflux means infinite number of tray required, and total reflux, minimum number of tray required. Okay. Yeah. Associate the following dimension heat and mass transfer: Sherwood number, mass transfer; Prandtl number, Smith number, mass transfer; Nusselt number, heat transfer; Prandtl number, Pimote, momentum, that is nu by T alpha. Prandtl number, what do you momentum transfer? New thing. Seventh question: the temperature dependency chemical reaction rate in general written as K is equal to K naught. Collision theory, transition state theory, Arrhenius theory. So value of m for collision theory 1/2. इसको कैसे याद करना है? Collision करके आधा हो जाता है. And transition state theory is also called absolute reaction rate theory. So m is equal to 1. Absolute means 1. And Arrhenius, we know that T equal to 0. Is equal to for Arrhenius. Okay. Level spill is there. Level spill. And level spill and H. Scott Fogler. H. Scott Fogler. Okay, I will upload my note for that particular question. Okay. Now, for multiple reactions, A that is A, 2A that is R, 2R that is S. Number of moles is present when the number of moles A and R is 0.3 and 0.5. Initially, 2 moles of A present in the reaction. Okay. So, the number of moles S present when the number of moles of A and R 0.3 and 0.5 is okay. So we need to find the moles of S. Okay. So at equilibrium, A is 0.3 moles, R is 0.5 moles. Okay. After completion of the reaction, A fed 2 moles is starting of the reaction. A unreacted at the end of the reaction is 0.3. A reacted 2 minus 0.3 is equal to 1.7. Okay. 1.7. Right. R formed 1/2 into 1.7, 0.85. R unreacted 0.5 that is this at the end of the reaction. R reacted 0.85 minus 0.5 minus 0.5 equal to 0.35. So S formed 1 by 2 into 0.35, 0.175. 0.175 is there? Yes. 175. Okay. You can solve this question. I'm skipping it. So BDAC written here. Okay. Now, true and false. On-off controller is special case of proportional control is large bandwidth. No, bandwidth of proportional controller is 0. Yeah, 0 bandwidth. Route test cannot be used to determine stability controller with the dead. Yes. If dead time is there, we cannot use route test. Okay. The output of linear sinusoidal to sinusoidal input is always sinusoidal. Actually, this is false, but I'll not make any statement because I'm not confirmed, but the answer is false. Okay, you can look. Yeah, for process control, there are so many books. Very first, D. Donald R. Kuffner. Second, George Stephanopoulos, which is my favorite book. One of the best book I have ever gone through. Stephanopoulos. Then these two will build up concepts. Okay. RP Vyas, numerical. DC Sidkar, numerical. I have gone through all the 4 books. This DC Sidkar contains a lot of mistakes, so be careful when you are reading it. RP Vyas is one of the very important book for process control if you are preparing for GATE. But the problem with this book is you cannot find it online and offline as well. This book is very demanding. Okay, so most of the time it shows out of stock on Amazon, and I think Flipkart don't have this book. Okay, you can see. Okay. Yeah, so now cascade control is used for processes involving one measured variable more than one manipulated variable. Yes, cascade control is there is one primary loop, there is a secondary loop. Okay, so we have to control only one variable by manipulating more than one variable. Okay, pressure is there, temperature is there, we are just controlling the level in the tank. So these kind of things. So this is true. Okay, I will upload my notes related to this as well. Okay, so we have completed the section 1. Okay, if you have any doubt, any particular topic, if you are not able to understand, I will share my notes. Okay, just comment it below. Since I have not touched the chemical engineering since more than 1 year, so but don't worry, when we are solving the numerical questions, I will explain each and every step. Okay, if I am not able to explain, then I'll tell you guys that I'm not able to explain this. Okay, so it is straightforward. Transparency is always good. So bye guys, take care. And if you have not subscribed to my new channel where I will upload all the videos, the bricks scale. Okay, just search on YouTube, you will find. And for solution of 9090 to 1991, search on YouTube Kelly IITG, you will find all the solution. I'll just want to request that if possible, subscribe and like guys, because it required a lot of effort. And since I'm doing PhD, so maintaining my work with these kind of things and Sports is also important, so in PhD. So if possible, then subscribe. Otherwise, it will be fine. So take care, guys. My lecture will always be open for all. Okay. So bye, guys. Take care.